Okay, I am going to talk about parts of the heart and blood circulation of the heart. First of all, we have to know that the heart is located in the thoracic cavity and it is in between the two lungs, so it is in the mediastinum part of the thoracic cavity. So as we can see here in this diagram here, okay, as I said, I'm going to speak first of the parts of the heart. First of all, we have to know the main parts of the heart. The heart is made out of with main 4 chambers. We have the right atrial chamber, we have the right ventricle chamber, we have the left atria, and we have the left ventricle. And after that, we'll check what goes in and what goes out of the heart. Actually, it's only blood, but which are the main blood vessels involved that brings the blood to the heart, and the ones which carry the blood from the heart to the parts of the body. As you can see from up here, we have the superior vena cava, which brings blood from the upper part of the body, like the head, the neck, that comes in through this superior vena cava. As you can see, it goes to the right atria. And on the lower side here, we can see that the inferior vena cava brings blood from the lower part of the body, includes the abdomen and the pelvic cavity and the lower parts of the legs, towards the heart through the right atria. So the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava gather the blood into the right atria. In the right atria, when the blood accumulates inside there, it flows down to the right ventricle. We have some valves here which are involved. These valves are tricuspid valves. So the tricuspid valves will open and allow the blood to flow to the left ventricle. To the right ventricle. When the blood arrives to the right ventricles, the tricuspid valves will close, and the blood from the right ventricle will be pumped towards the pulmonary artery. Here, as you can see, towards the pulmonary artery, and through there the blood will move towards the right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary artery. So from there, the blood will go to the lungs, where the blood will be oxygenated, because the blood that comes back to the heart through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava is deoxygenated. So it will pass through this pulmonary artery to go towards the lungs to be oxygenated. And then the blood, after it has been oxygenated, it will return back through these 4 main pulmonary veins. The right pulmonary veins, they're here, 2 of them, and also the left pulmonary veins. All this will bring the blood back from the lungs to the heart into the left atria. In the left atria, we also have some valves, which are the mitral valves. They will open to allow the blood to flow into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, after it has accumulated the amount of blood, the left ventricle, one of the characteristics, it has a very thick wall, so it will enhance a very high pressure to pump the blood to all parts of the body through this aorta, as you can see here, the arc of aorta here. So the blood will pass through this arc of aorta, and it will be pumped towards the other parts of the body, like the head, the neck, the abdomen, the pelvic, and the lower part of our body, the legs. So we also have here, the aorta goes down now, right here, yeah. So, and we also have some, these are the keywords, the RA, which means the right atria, the LA, which means the left atria, the RV, which means the left ventricle, and LV, which means the left ventricle. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you in the next class in blood circulation through the heart. Thank you.